Welcome back to Everything's Funny at 3 a.m. This is Dub playing the cat lady. Alright, we need to get all the stuff to make the Cat Widow costume to freak out Brian, because he's a piece of shit, according to Susan, which I agree with her. He is a piece of shit. So what we need: black dress, scissors, mask, red paint, which is right over there, and yeah, that's what we need. So let's get the dress black with the coal. Okay, we got that. We need something to open the tin of paint with. Let's see if there's anything over here. Wall. Examine. This wall looks fresh. That's okay. Here, use the broom. Smack the wall with it. Okay. Okay, I think we need to go back up. And we'll go to the dog lady's place. Oh, wait. Okay. I think we can reach that statue in the hole. In the first flat. Use the broom to knock down the statue or whatever.
Look, she left the door open.
Okay, let's go in there first. Screw it. Obviously, the game wants me to go in there first.
I'll stay here and keep watch.
Good idea. I'll be as quick as I can.
Cool. Cool. Alright, Mitzi.
It's not her. I didn't find anything. No computers, no laptops, no telephone line.
What about
Okay.
scissors?
I'm not really surprised. Are you?
At
What
least we
about
can now
scissors?
cross her off the list.
Okay. I'm gonna
Let's
go.
go.
It's not gonna let me go in there. Okay. We will have to get scissors elsewhere. Let's go in. Put the broom in the hole.
I'll try to catch that thing for you, alright?
It's a statue of a cat. How nice.
So there's another wacko obsessed with cats in this house. Lovely.
She's funny. Examine. A black porcelain cat with open mouth. It wouldn't be out of place in my own flat, but I've probably got enough of these already. Shake it. There's stuff in it. Shit, hold on, shake it again. What did it say? It seems there's something inside. Break it. There's a key inside the cat statue. What a strange hiding place. What happened to the good old doormat?
I see I caught this statue only so you could smash it to pieces. Thanks.
I don't remember asking you to catch anything.
Nice. You're funny, Mitzi. Okay, don't know what I'm gonna need this for. Maybe like a sewing machine or something. But I'm just gonna see. Okay, nope. Alright, we'll fuck with this later. Let's go use the key on flat number 3. La-dee, la-da-dee. Alright.
Do you want to go in first?
Oh, this looks nice. Wow, okay.
Come on in. The place seems empty.
Why were they putting holes in their floors anyway? This is their own fault.
Watch out, Mrs. A. There's a massive hole in the floor.
Oh yeah.
Just step around it.
I'm not blind. Besides, I know it's there. We saw it from the floor below.
Oh yeah.
Let's have a look around. There's got to be a computer here somewhere.
I really don't like this place.
Yeah, I don't like this place at all.
It's rather creepy.
Need to find some scissors. I don't like that there's this black tarp over here and there's just yeah. Stuff. Oh, that's nice.
Bingo. We found what we were looking for. This laptop could be it, you know. Maybe
Probably
Joe's our
is.
guy after all.
Mm-hmm.
No. It's a disaster. The power lead is missing. It won't switch on.
Don't worry. I got the extension
Right.
cord.
What a shame. Can we go now, please? I think I've seen enough. I don't need any more trouble.
No, it's okay. I've got an idea. It seems it's a similar model to mine. I'll just go back to the flat and bring my power lead.
Ah,
I don't
shit.
know. You sure this is gonna work?
I think so. At least we'll give it a shot.
She's gonna leave. Shit's gonna go down.
Stay
I'm gonna
here
be
and
by
I'll
myself.
Back in a second.
Here.
Why don't we go together? I really don't like this place.
You said you haven't seen this guy for ages. He probably doesn't even live here anymore. Relax. Nothing's gonna happen. I'll be
Bullshit.
back before you know it.
Shit always happens in this game.
I will count to 100. If you're not back, I'm out of here.
I'll be back before you get to 75. Don't worry.
You better run.
Hey, I just remembered something that'll keep you busy. While I'm gone, think of a vegetable.
What? Why?
To keep your mind occupied. I bet I can guess which vegetable you were thinking of when I'm back.
So you're a mind reader now.
No, this is just a little experiment of mine.
Okay.
Alright.
Whatever. Now go. I'm counting already.
Alright, come on. Hurry up, Mitzi.
Why do I always end up in places like this?
Yeah. Ugh. They want me to answer the door, don't they? I'm not going to answer it yet. I want to see what's over here. Yep, probably. Even if I wanted to, the doorknob is missing. Okay, let's go back. Coat rack, examine. Desk, examine. Above the desk, walls covered with pages pinned to the wall. They look like handwritten letters. What is behind this tarp?
Just one big step.
Let's pick it up.
Just one.
I'm gonna go out. I'm getting out of here. What?
Damn. The door handle just came off in my hand.
Well,
How am I going to get out of here now?
now I have to go into the 666 room. Great.
Mitzi? Mitzi, are you there? Shit.
Yep. Shit. Shit.
Jesus.
Alright, we're going in, people. Right, great. 3 6s, the number of the beast. Okay. Let's go in. What the fuck? The water from the bath has completely flooded the bathroom floor. Not that I care, I just want to leave as soon as possible. This looks like it could be dangerous. It's dirty like everything else in this place. Power lead. Power lead that we need. Take. Is there anything else over here? What the? Shit! What the fuck? I want to check it out. Okay. Let's just go. This guy's gonna confront us. Hello. You gonna say anything?
What?
What?
Jesus. No. You were not supposed to be here.
Meh. Freaking out, man.
Why did you have to ruin everything?
Oh, God.
What have you done, you stupid, evil bitch?
Somebody help this guy find his
Who
inhaler.
are you?
Here.
I'm the gas inspector. There's a leak somewhere?
Is that so?
Yeah.
I can't smell any gas here. How odd. I think you're lying. You took her away, didn't you? What has she ever done to you?
What? Sir, you are wrong.
Shut up. I won't let you trick me again. Did they send you? They think I'll fall for these lies, but I'm smarter than this. I know what you're up to.
My friend knows that I'm here, and she will call the police.
And I've got a gun. I can shoot you right there in your
Yeah, go
heart.
ahead, dude. Go ahead and fucking do it,
It's
man.
not worth it, Joe. I've done you no harm.
Of course, you haven't got a heart. Isn't that right?
I have no idea what you're talking about. I'll just leave. Very slowly. I won't cause you any trouble at all, okay?
Yeah, what's behind this tarp?
Nancy? Are you there? I need help! Where the hell are you?
I tried calling for help too. No one ever comes. Just the devil.
You are seriously freaking me out now. Tell cops all about the devil. I'm out of here.
Get back here right now and give me that blasted key!
Chill, bro. Watch out for the whole shit. Yep, saw that coming. Damn it. She dead. Alright, looks like we got some doors to choose from. We'll start picking through them, unless we can only choose one. Anyway, we'll do it next time on Everything's Funny at 3 a.m.